Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day on this one, and what added to the craziness was the final 30 minutes of the day, which you can see right there. Volume came in very nicely, big green candle. Is this the start of something bigger? We'll have to see what happens with it, but before that, going to go ahead and get rid of that level and just move this area out of the way for now. Because really, and let me just first make this update before anything else, and the first update comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $680 going into the day was that area of support, but with the price now below it, that's going to be a main area of resistance, and that's also going to be the level that's very helpful in terms of gauging whether or not this means anything. Meaning if the price comes up here and then just, gets rejected right back down, well, yeah, it looks like that bounce really didn't have any sort of genuine power behind it. Or on the flip side, if the price gets up to 680 and then just blast right through it, at that point, there would still be more work that needs to be done. But it would certainly be a more than valid, a more than rational thought process to begin to have where you say, wow, okay, yeah, there is some genuine power behind this upwards movement. But as of now, yeah, no doubt about it. Last 30 minutes, very strong. But a single 30-minute session doesn't, determine whether or not an overall chart is still bullish or bearish. But like I said, it at least makes sense to start to, get in that mindset of, okay, maybe the bulls are finally back, but it's really all a question of, that 680 mark and then that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on both of those areas moving forward from the resistance side of things. And then as far as supports, nothing fancy or complicated here at all. It is all about 660 moving forward. You can see that the bulls did a fantastic job of, digging in and not allowing the price to really make any sort of further progress after it got down to that area. But if this 30-minute bounce fails and then comes back down here, 660 is going to be a very pivotal level with a lot of shorts watching it. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, no doubt about it. Last 30 minutes, very strong. We'll see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.